We have a big change being attempted in Lori Vallow's second trial. This was filed April 11th. The state of Arizona hereby provides notice that the state intends to use defendants' other acts as evidence of the conspiracy and or to establish premeditation and or to establish motive pursuant to Rule 404B of the Arizona Rules of Evidence. The state believes that this testimony and evidence is admissible to establish the conspiracy and premeditation, but is filing this motion as it would also be admissible to establish motive. Let's go to the second page here. Pursuant to 401B2, this motion is supported by the following memorandum of points and authorities submitted April 11th, and you can see here it's signed by Trina K. Memorandum of points and authorities. The defendant is charged with conspiracy to commit first-degree murder, a Class 1 dangerous offense that occurred on October 2nd, 2019. The state will use cell phone records, iCloud accounts, and witness testimony to establish that, yes, there are two that's there, the defendant believed that the victim was dark and or a zombie, that the defendant conspired with Alex Cox and Chad Daybell to kill the victim, and that this murder was premeditated. The evidence that the defendant Chad Daybell and Alex Cox believe the victim was dark and or a zombie will be used to prove the conspiracy, but is also relevant to establish the motive pursuant to Rule 404B2. I wanted to get this out there real quick. I know I've been really busy with the Oblivion remaster, but I saw this was posted on Twitter by the journalist Justin Lum. Definitely check them out. Justin Lum. I'll pin them in the comments. Make sure you follow them. They follow this case, and this is very different if they're going to be going into her other acts that she did. What will this jury get to know